Today we're starting our robotics coding camp for middle school students. It's part of the Texas Workforce Commission grant that our district did receive to have this robotics camp for our students. It all comes from this particular set, the Lego Mindstorm set. So you guys will be teaming up and have partners of 3, and then you will be building this together. This is the first of a kind that we're gonna have, and the students are now part of our STEM Ambassador program. They'll participate in one of our 3 STEM programs that we're gonna have next year, which is either middle school robotics, a new pilot drone program that we're gonna be looking at, and then we're gonna also be launching rocketry for the year.
My favorite part has been like building the robots and coding them, because I mean it's like really fun. I really like just making it like move around. I learned that all robots aren't really the same. They all could do different things, and people use it for different actions like driving, working, and etc.
I really think it's interesting. I'm still trying to learn how to program everything correctly.
We're gonna have for next year also a STEM Fest. It's gonna be our inaugural year, and we're gonna highlight all of these areas of STEM, including the robotics, rocketry, and drone, where the students will have some various competitions, and we'll have the community able to come in and see this process and see what the students have learned. My hope is that our students are gonna, really embrace the coding and learning about robotics and really commit and apply it to next year as a STEM ambassador so that we can grow these STEM programs.